Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you that how you can create this type of skills bar using HTML and CSS only. So when user will refresh, you can see that we have added this type of animation on load. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And without any delay, let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I have opened my project folder in Visual Studio Code, and to the right side you will able to see the output. So first of all, create a basic HTML structure here, and here I will type skills bar design. Next type here link and style.css. Next in the body element we have to create a div with class wrapper. Type here h3 my skills. This is the title for our card. Next create another div here with class skills wrapper. Next we have to create here a div with class bar, and each bar class represent a complete skills bar. So inside this, first of all, I will create a div with class info, create a span element here, and I will type here HTML. Outside this I will create another div with class progress bar, and inside this we have to create a span element with class HTML. So this code is for our progress bar and this code is for progress bar title. Similarly, we have to copy this complete div, paste here and type here CSS, change the class to CSS, again paste the code, type here JavaScript, type here JavaScript, and at last we have to paste this 4 times and type here React.js, which is trending front-end technologies now, and here I will type React.js class for our this span element. So friends, we have done with our HTML code. Next open the style.css, and first of all we have to type here root color primary, and here I will type RGB 57, 3 and 255. So friends, I have stored this color code in my this color primary variable, and later in this video we will use this variable. And when I will use this variable, you need to understand that I am typing this color code. Next type here star padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box, and font family. Friends, we are going to use a Google font in my project. To add this, first of all I will search here Google fonts, click the first link, click on these 3 bars, select fonts, and here I will search for Poppins. This is my font, click on this, scroll up, and here I have to click on select regular 400. Click on view selected families, click import, copy this link and paste this in the first line of your CSS file, and next copy this font family property and paste this here. So you can see the output, the font is changed and now our output is looking good. Next copy this body element, paste this here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 VH. So these 4 CSS properties was to make our content exactly at the center position of our screen. Next I will type here background, type this color code and width 100% for our body element. Next copy this wrapper class, paste here and type position relative, width 100% and maximum width 500 pixel. So currently I will remove this position relative property. Next type here background color or background, copy this color code, paste here, and box shadow. We need to type these properties to get the new morphism effect. So type here 10 pixel 3 times, -1 pixel, RGBA 10, 99, 169, and the opacity would be 0.60. Next type here a comma and again type -10 pixel, -10 pixel, 10 pixel and -1 pixel, RGBA 255. Friend, this is an important property, and if you will copy this property or learn this property, you will able to understand that how we implement the new morphism effect on our each card. So this property will help you in your various projects. Next type here 255 and the opacity would be 0.7. So friends, you can see that we have a new morphism effect on our card. Next type here padding 40 pixel for top and bottom and 30 pixel for right and left. So here is our output. Next type here border radius 10 pixel. So you can see that the border radius of our card is a little bit rounded now. Next, copy this h3 element, paste here, and before this copy the wrapper class and paste the class here and type here font size 1.7 rem and text align center. Next, we need to copy this skills wrapper class, paste this class here and type padding 0 and 20 pixel. Next, copy this bar class and paste this class here, and before this copy this skills wrapper class and paste this class here and type margin 20 pixel for top and bottom and 0 pixel for right and left. So here you can see that we have a margin around our this bar classes. Next friends, I need to copy this info class, paste here, and before this copy this hierarchy and paste here and type margin bottom 10 pixel. So next, copy this pen element inside the info class, paste this element here, and before this copy these classes and paste them here, type letter spacing 1 pixel and text transform uppercase. So you can see a space between these words and a little bit space between these words due to this text transform property. Next friends, copy this progress bar class, and this is the primary part of our video. So I will paste this class here, and before this copy these two classes and paste them here, and here we have to type width 100%, height 15 pixel, background color hash 460. You can see the output, and border radius 10 pixel and position relative because its inner element, which is a span element, we will assign this element position absolute. So these two properties will work together to display the inner span element in a meaningful way. You will see this in the coming seconds. And next I have to type here overflow hidden. So it means that the content that will overflow from our this available area of the skill bar will never display to the user. Next friends, we have to copy this span element which is inside this progress bar class, paste this here, and before this copy these classes and paste them here. Type here position absolute, height 100% and transform scale X, but currently I will comment this property. Next we have to type here border radius 10 pixel and background color primary and width 70%. So you can see the output, and this 70% is a temporary property. We have to remove this property later. Next we have to create the animation for our this skills bar. To create the animation, I will create a keyframe here and type here animation name like animate skill. Inside this I will just type 100% and transform scale 1, and now I have to uncomment this property by typing here 0. And next we have to assign this animation to our this pen element. So simply first of all we need to copy this animation name, paste here, type 1 second cubic Bezier. So Bezier spelling is Bezier, and here friends we have to type 1 0. You can type the same values to get the same results, and next type here 1 space forwards. Forward means that our animation will remain at its last position, I mean scale 1, when the animation would be completed. So friends, now you can see that our animation will look like this. Next friends, simply first of all we have to copy this HTML class, paste this class here and copy this complete hierarchy and paste this here. Make sure do not add any space between here, because span.html means that we have a span element with class HTML, and span space HTML means that the HTML class is somewhere inside this span element. So friends, here we have to type width 90% and remove this width 70% property. So you can see the output. Next we have to copy this and paste this 4 times. Copy this CSS class, paste here, copy this JavaScript class, paste here, and copy this React.js class and paste here. Here I will type 70, 85 and 60%. So friends, we have complete our code. So now you can see that it is looking like this on mobile devices. So we can do one thing. You can add a margin of 15 pixel inside our wrapper class. So now you can see that our this output will look like this on mobile devices. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.